Wait. Okay, now say it now. What are you doing, Shana?
I'm baking challah. First, I'm going to mix the flour. And I mix, look. I'm mixing the sauces. See?
Wow. What did you do first to the flour?
Oh, first, I took this.
Okay, don't touch it. Don't touch it. The sifter. Yeah.
I took a sifter. And, I took some, and I did the flour without bugs. There are no bugs. And then I put water. And then, yes. And then I put some more water, and then now I'm mixing. So, what do you think what else I need to put?
What makes it sweet?
Some sugar and salt.
Oh.
2 spoons of sugar and 1 spoon of salt.
Oh.
Okay. Now I'm mixing to look. I need to look if there are more flowers. Because who likes to eat a floury challah? That's disgusting. So I need to look and mix the whole thing. I'm trying not to spill down the dough. Yeah, really trying. Okay.